Everybody, how do you feel tonight? Are you ready for some soul music? Here we go, man. Here I come. I'm coming for a tell you love. Here I come. Here I come, I'm coming for a tell you love. Here I come, I'm coming for a tell you love. Please, come on. see you. Are you ready for some soul music? Okay, please welcome on stage, all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, Mrs. Tony Green. Yeah, come on. One more time for Tony Green.
How you doing? Somebody say yeah. Somebody say yeah. Did you come to party? Well, if you didn't come to party, you're in the wrong place. You've been listening to the best in music. I'm talking about Malted Milk. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Malted Milk. And we came to party. Are you ready? Are you ready? Somebody say yeah! My name is Tony Green and I came to party. There is something that's been bothering me. Oh, no. I got a question. I got a question. Can anybody help me? I said, can anybody help me? Solve this mystery. Like to know who I am. Like to know who I am. I really like to know. I wanna know y'all who I am. A long time ago, I was a little too young to know. My mama would tell me, Tony, there's some places you can't go. She said, now there's a difference in your race. You do all right in the world if you just stay in your place. Well, really like to know. Said I really like to know. I wanna know. A few years later, I was called Sister Vitamin. I could tell the difference in the way he shook my hand. He said, right on, Tony. Whatever you want to do, girl. I told him I'm still looking for my identity. Well, I really like to know. I really like to know. Really like to know. Put your hands together for Mr. David. was. Yeah. I looked at my sister. I could plainly see she was a little bit shade darker. She was a shade darker than me. Mama said he was a driver on a bus. During the time he was a driver. Ooh, so, well, I really like to know. Well, I really like to know. Yeah, yeah. I really wanna know. Really like to know. Oh, yeah. I wanna know that. Really like to know. Really like to know. I wanna know, y'all. Really like to know. Somebody tell me who. Everybody is the same, y'all. Underneath it all, everybody is the same as we are. I wanna know, you and me and you and me and you are all the same. Yeah. We are the same. Thank you very much. And this is a little song. That's one of my favorite songs. Song by Miss Ann Peebles. You may know her if I Can't Stand the Rain. Well, this, to me, is one of her favorite compositions. I knew from the very beginning, yeah, what you had in mind. But I said to myself, baby, you won't be wasting your time. Somehow through the night, boy, things seem to get out of hand. Yeah. Then I find myself wanting your good loving all over again. Loving I'm sweet, deep, very love. I fell in love with you, boy. Yes, I did. You know that I still fell in love all over again. Then I started on you, baby. The last thing I had on my mind. But I said to myself, baby, you won't be wasting your time. But when you touch me, baby, honey, I just lose all control. Then I find myself wanting your good loving more. Oh, sweet, deep, very love. I'm in love with you, boy. Yes, I did. You know that I said, deep, very love. Yeah, baby. Okay, turn, ladies and gentlemen. It's on that Friday. Yes, I did. You know that I said, very love. you feeling out there? You all right? Party people over here. We're gonna slow this down and do something for, which is another one of my favorite songs, written by one of my own right here, Mr. Igor Bichon. Today is just another day to sing the sad songs of melodies. I'm looking through my window and it's rained in since last Wednesday. Week after week, I keep on doing the same things. Yeah. I've been a kind of man. Still I'm waiting for the sign. I wanna be somebody, but my life is still the same. Yeah. I want things, yeah. I want them to change, please let them change, 'cause I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. Break these chains. I need to feel alive and the weather. Still fine. Oh yeah, the weather still fine. I'm still here, and nobody wants to understand. No. I'm trying to be who I am. All my friends have gone away, they disappeared. They're nowhere to be found. I feel like I want to scream. I'm so full of pain, and it's so real. I want to be somebody, but my name still the same, y'all. Oh, I want things to change. Please let them change, 'cause I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. Break these chains. I need to feel alive, and the weather still fine. Oh yeah, the weather. Still fine. The weather, still. Oh, the weather. Oh, the weather, still. Rain, away. Come again another day. The weather still fine. All my friends are gone away. The weather change. I need you. I need you. Oh, I need you. Break these chains. I need to feel alive again. Oh. And the weather is still fine. Igor Bichon. Oh, you can do a lot better. Yeah. Igor. that pause. Well, gotta ask you a little question. Anybody feel sexy out there? We got any sexy people. Are you sexy? Nobody's sexy? Are you sexy?
Somebody raise his hands. Come on.
Raise your hand if you know you're sexy. Sexy. Sexy.
Just two,
Just to,
3.
nobody's up. Sexy. Raise your hand if you know you're sexy. Yes. Sexy. In the red, you're sexy. Petting your hair. You. Yes, you. Yeah. You're sexy. 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 You're sexy. Yes. Ooh, la, la. Yeah. But we're going to do this. If you know you're sexy, this is your song. So we're going to get you to know that you're sexy. And if you don't know it by the time we get through with this song, there's something wrong with you. So let's do this thing. Well, who's that guy who walks way back like that? He's keeping, no simply keeping his hustling guy. Well, he keeps giving me good love. Oh, it's all that I'm making love. He winds me up, then he turns me around. Makes my loving come. He's my sexy, sexy love machine. If you know you're sexy, my sexy, sexy love machine. Well, I like the time, I like the tone, I like the back from head and hand on. I like the work, I like the touch, all over the episode. I don't wanna think too much to breeze. I need a man who knows how to play. I need a man now. He's giving me good love, that I'm making love. He winds me up and then he turns me around. Makes my loving come. My sexy, sexy love machine. Yeah. Sexy, sexy love machine. Well. Hey, Honor. Now we asked the question
Yeah.
just a moment ago. We asked if there were any sexy people out there. Do you see anybody that's really sexy out there?
Need some light.
You need some light. Well, how about
Yeah.
yeah? How about on the front row? You see anybody sexy?
Yeah, she's sexy here. With a black hat on.
Okay. You're so sexy. How about right over here? Anybody sexy over there?
Yeah, she's dancing.
She's sexy.
She's dancing.
She's sexy.
Are you ready to dance? Do you want to dance? Anybody want to dance? Is that ready?
They're ready.
And you, are you ready to dance?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Thank you. I got to go out here and ask them.
Yeah.
But I'm going to point out to my own sexy person. Wait a minute. I see some sexy. You so sexy right there. You. Don't look around. You. I like 'em bald-headed. I like 'em fat. I like 'em tall. Bow-legged and all. Anybody like that? I like you. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Now, if you know you're sexy, I need y'all to wave your hands. Come on. Just wait. Well, have you forgotten how to be sexy? Have you forgot? There you go. Somebody remembers. Do you know you're sexy? Sexy, sexy, sexy. Oh, no. She's sexy in the red dress right there. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, and he's sexy too. Oh, no.
You're sexy.
Well, sexy, sexy, sexy. I need y'all to come on if you know you're sexy. Just wave your hand. Come on, come on. Or just do it like you mean it. Y'all thought y'all came to party. Come on, yeah. You're sexy, 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 sexy. Yeah. Sexy. Huh. Wait a minute. a sexy man standing right next to me. Ladies, is he sexy? I'm not sure how sexy you are. Do it, baby. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it. Oh, said I do it, do it. Oh, did I do it, do it. Is he sexy? Is he sexy? Sexy, sexy. Ladies, scream. Sexy, do it now. Sexy, sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Love to sing. Yeah. He's so sexy, yes he is. Oh, so sexy. Yeah. Oh, sexy, sexy, sexy. Hey. Ladies, was he sexy? Was he anything that you know is real sexy to you? Ladies, I need you to tell him how sexy he really was. Well, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. I got some more sexy men up here next to me. Ego, you're so sexy, yes you are. Oh, that Richard, you're so sexy, yes you are. Well, I'm talking about Eric, you're so sexy. Damon, you're so sexy, yes you are. But wait a minute, I got two more sexy men up here with me. I call them my Pied Pipers. They're gonna show you just how sexy they are. PM, on trumpet, show them how sexy you are. Yeah. PM, gonna do your thing, baby, show them how sexy. Along with my dear Slim, dear friend on trombone. Come on. Somebody scream! Come on! So sexy. So sexy. Oh, sexy. Come on, y'all. So sexy. Pipers. Give it up to Mountain Milk. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yes. Do you like the blues? Does anybody out there like the blues? I am from Memphis, Tennessee, the home of the blues. Thank you. Do you know B.B. King? He's from my neighboring town of Itta Bena, Mississippi. Yes. How about Al Green? Come on. How about Isaac Hayes? Anybody know Isaac Hayes? Okay. How about Tony Green? Well, we're going to do a little blues for you. This is a song that we wrote together, all the way from Memphis, Tennessee to your home right now. We're going to do it for you. If you like the blues, let me know you like the blues, okay? Let's do this thing. Featuring on lead guitar, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Ernest front end. Go ahead. Baby, I tried to treat you right, like a good man's a woman should. I tried to be your leader. I tried to be good, but you wouldn't return my love. I was a fool. Now I'm finally waking up, baby. I'm leaving you. 'Cause this thing ain't working out. Baby, check it out. It ain't no what it ought to be. No. It ain't no what it ought to be. So now you gotta set me free. Set me free, baby. I'm gonna. No. I've gotta move on. 'Cause I've been your fool too doggone long. It ain't no lie. This thing ain't working out. Oh, no. You say you're gonna change your ways. But baby, I've heard that so many times before. So move on out my way. I got to leave you. I'm walking out the door. Baby, you know you had your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Be my only man. All you gave me was hell. Now I'm gonna wish you well. It ain't working out. Baby, I'm telling you. Now because I don't love you, I got to let you go. Somewhere in the middle of it all, I got to walk in the door. Hey, walking out. It ain't I'm in love with you. To get me wrong, I got to let you go. It ain't no, it ain't working out. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Working out. Malted milk.
Tony Green, please, Tony Green.
Woo! Deep in my dreams, an angel whispered in my ear, yeah. Respect yourself and leave that man keep spinning around my head. Oh, yeah. Something is wrong, wrong. I got to find a way. Oh, yes, I do. I've been mistreated so many times. Now I need to make my getaway. Oh, yes, I do. I'm packing my things without looking behind. No, I got rid of my way. I got to find a peace of mind deep inside my heart. Feel like love is so strong, it ain't right. Out of sight, out of mind, the love is on deep inside. Need to go on now. Deep in my heart, I know I can make it on my own. Oh, yes, I do. I asked you for respect, but you said no, 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 no. 'Cause you wanna be like a rolling stone. Oh, yes, you do. You hurt me so bad. I just wanna rock. Oh, yes, I do. I wanna make a new start right now, right today. I need to make my brand new day. Oh, I'm packing my things without looking behind. Oh, I got rid of my wedding ring. I got to find a piece howling no dog. You can have the house, you can have the car, you can have the cat, and I'm howling no dog. I just wanna back away. I just wanna back away. Just wanna back away. Just wanna back away. I wanna back away. I wanna fly. Just wanna back away. You can have everything. Just can't. You can have the house. Just I wanna fly away. Yeah. Can I fly away? Yeah. I wanna fly. But can I fly? I just wanna fly away. Yeah. You can have the house. You can have the car. You can have the cat.
If you feel like dancing, come on.
No dog. You can have the house. You can have the car.
Yeah.
You can have the cat. That howling no dog. I just wanna fly away. Come on. I'm gonna fly. I just wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah. Can I? I wanna fly. Can I fly? I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. I wanna fly. I wanna fly. I wanna fly away. Come on, come on. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly away. I wanna fly.
It's a song we wrote together, deep inside. You can find it on the CD, Milk and Green. Please make some noise for Tony Green. Yeah. Born to darkness, but I found my way up to the sun. I have a lot of battles, some loves to some I want.
Let me tell you, boy,
Let me tell you, girl,
you ain't seen nothing yet.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Nothing in this world that I can't get.
long as I got you,
I got you, baby.
long as I got you,
I got you,
long as I got you now. Give me money to crumble and hide. Tell them to say, let me put this well in the palm of your hand.
Find some tears to rise, and I'll sing my way. Lord, I'm gonna sing my way out of these blues. I had to learn to stand up, even when they scare me out of my high heel shoes.
Let me tell you, girl,
I wanna tell you, boy,
you ain't seen nothing
you
yet.
ain't seen nothing yet.
Nothing in this world.
Nothing in this world.
I can get say you love me.
I'm gonna say I love you.
And I know the battle is won.
Oh, I'm gonna be by your side through thick and thin.
Don't you worry about nothing.
I won't worry about nothing.
You don't mind the best yet to come.
Oh, I can see it coming on down the road.
Let me tell you, girl,
Let me tell you, boy,
you ain't seen nothing
you ain't
yet.
seen nothing
Nothing in this world.
Nothing in this world.
I can get nothing that I
You know that I got you, baby. You know that I got you, boy.
got you now. Give me another couple. I tell them to say, let me put this love in the palm of the hand. Like I got you, I got you, yeah. I got you now.
I got you by my side.
By the side.
By my side, baby.
By the side.
By my side.
By your side.
By my side.
I got you, yeah.
You don't have to worry.
I got you now.
You don't have to worry.
Don't have to worry.
You don't have to worry.
Don't have to worry.
No.
By your side.
By my side.
By your side.
By my side.
Let the bill.
I got you by my side.
I got you.
You don't have to worry.
I got you, girl. I got you, girl. Long as I got you, long as I got you, baby.
Ladies, can you do it just one more time?
Long as I got you, baby.
Okay.
Long as I got you, baby.
Yes. Igor, can you hear me out?
Hey, long as I got you, baby. Tony Green.
Now the baby of the group.
the youngest of them all, on Hammond B3. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Damian Canellis on organ. Yeah, Somebody told me once that pain is a game we all gotta play. Then why am I in overtime, sudden death every other day? They telling me for the good of life, there's a price we all gotta pay. Well, I paid till I'm poor, I still don't know what it is to have a good day. Oh yeah, since everybody knows what it is that I need to do, well, do me a favor. Let me worry about me, and you worry about you. I don't need no one to put me down. I'm on the ground, can't get no lower. I don't need no one to hang around and make me frown, just make me look older. I don't need no one to black my eye and tell me lies. Don't wanna cry over nobody else. No, 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 I can do that all by myself. Somebody told me once that running from the rain don't make no sense. I had my own dark clouds for a while. It goes wherever I'm going. Oh yeah, they're telling me the grass just might be greener on the other side. Don't wanna take a chance on turning on when I got grass, even though it's dying. Woo! Everybody knows what I need to do. Well, do me a favor. Let me worry about me, and you worry about you. I don't need no one to put me down. I'm on the ground, can't go no lower. I don't need no one to hang around and make me frown, just make me look older. I don't need no one to black my eye and tell me lies. Don't wanna cry over, don't wanna do it, don't wanna cry over. Don't waste no time, bring it back for me. Oh, no, no. I ask you for your sympathy. I know my God is watching over me. So I get to do where I'm supposed to be. Mr. Pim, come on.
Trumpet, please, PM on the trumpet, come on, come on. Green. Come on, Tony Green. All the way from Memphis, Tennessee, Tony Green. One more time about Tony Green. No, I just feel like a love is getting stronger every day. You know it's time for me to say, I'm gonna feel like a brand new man, yeah. I leave in the morning, I'm waiting for the train to come home. Sitting here, sitting all alone, I can't wait to see you again, girl. I'm leaving a week, all the good times. We got to get it, baby, together, girl. You know I can feel like a love. It's getting sweeter every day. Yeah. You got to know that I always take care of you, girl. I'll be your kind of lover and the brother too. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, I just keep on holding you, loving you just the same. You know I just feel like your love is getting stronger every day. You know it's time for me to say, 'cause I never feel like a damn man. I jump in here this train, I can hear you call my name. You know my mind just top around me. Sit to give me your love, you give me your love. My heart beating so fast, girl. So got to be your man. You know I just feel like your love is getting sweeter every day. Yeah. You got to know that I always take care of you, girl. I'll be your friend lover and the brother too. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, I just keep on holding you, loving you just the same. You know I just feel like a love is getting stronger every day. You know it's time for me to say, 'cause I remember feel like a feel like your love. It's getting stronger every day. You know it's time for me to say, something make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel. Come on, give me some blues, y'all. On the keyboard, all the way from France. Monsieur Damien Cornelis. Come on. Woo, yeah, come on. Come on, give me some more. Woo, somebody scream. Baby, you move, man. You're moving just right. You're moving much better than you did last night. When you're dancing, you look so freaking. When you do your spinning, you know you make me weak. You're my mind, oh sweet, my baby. The wiggle in your hips, yeah, the wiggle just taking my soul. I can't help it, I just lose control. I love that wiggle, that spanky style. You wiggle, drown me wild. Like the bar, got no bone. Yeah, you gotta make me do some wrong. Got my mind on the tree, baby, baby. The wiggle in your hips, that wiggle. Spooky style. You wiggle, drive me wild. Like a bone, you got the bone. Girl, you gotta make me do some wrong. While you wiggle, you do it so free. You hear my generation going with me. Stop wiggle, stop wiggle, stop wiggle, stop wiggle, stop wiggle. It's wrong. Stop wiggle, stop wiggle, stop wiggle, stop wiggle, stop wiggle. So we're gonna get down.
Are you ready to sing something? In France, we say merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. We are really happy to be here tonight for the festival. Thanks. We'd like to thank you also, all the people who work for the festival. We came a long way today. We'd like to bring back on stage with us, please, Tony Green. Come on, one more time for Tony Green. It's one of the songs from the album we wrote together. Tony Green, come on.
This is a song that was written by my dear friend right here, Mr. Earl Trotter. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for him. And Mountain Milk. Yeah. Every time you're needing me, keep begging for my help. I never turn my back on you. Try to play it cool. Oh, I thought you knew the rules, boy. But you never ever had a clue. I was knocking on your door all night long, but you never had room for two. Now I'm hurting, I'm so confused. What is it you want me to do? Oh, got this feeling too long. I want you to get out of my life. Oh, baby. Oh, got this feeling too long.
want you to get out of my life. I'm about this feeling to love. Baby, you know your heart is cold as ice. I'm back this feeling too long. I want you to get out of my life. I'm back this feeling too long. Baby, you know your heart is cold as ice. I'm back this feeling too long. I want you to get out of my life. I'm back this feeling too long. Baby, you know your heart is cold as ice.
Tony Green. For one more. Are you ready for one more song? Just one. One. Good. One. Just one. On the drums, on the way from France. Monsieur Richard Rousset, s'il vous plaît. Richard, come on. Make some noise for him. On the bass, all the way from Normandy, France. Monsieur Igor Pichon. Igor, come on. On the trumpet, Monsieur Pierre-Marie Humeau, PM on the trumpet. On the trumpet, Monsieur Martin Berlus, s'il vous plaît. Martin. Yeah. Come on, Tony.
Right behind me, ladies and gentlemen, on guitar, Mr. Eric Tigaleo. Give it up. On Hammond B3, Mr. Damian Canella. Woo! And I can't forget our sound man. Give it up for Mr. Vincent Green.
Vincent, please.
And the sound man over there, we thank you so very much. Yeah. And the gentleman that helps me out when I'm here. All of everybody. That little cute girl right there, I love you. Mrs. Julian. We love you, Julian. Constantine. Standing next to me, ladies and gentlemen, the leader of the band. Of the Malted Milk Ensemble that makes it all work, the baddest band in the land. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. On that Friday. Yeah.
The lady of the band, last but not least, all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, Mrs. Tony Green. Come on. Woo! Everybody, get up.
Everybody get up, oh yeah. Everybody get up, y'all. Everybody get up.
Come on. Dance, dance, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shake your booty.
Come on, y'all.
Shake your booty.
Here we go. You've been searching for a long, long time. Never find what you need. Something, baby. You ain't got to sing if you need you a lover. It's up to speed. If you need and every day. If you need you, lover, just let me in. I'll be your iPhone, baby. You can call on me. Yeah, I'll be there for you. Every minute of the day, baby. Be there for you. Oh, you got to do it for me. Be there for you. Yeah, call me and I'll be. Call me. Come on, y'all. In the daytime, yeah. You got to call me. Oh, in the nighttime. Oh, call me. Call me. Call me. Yeah. Pick up the telephone. Open it. Now, my number, Tony Green is on the number. Did you come to party? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Come on now, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. I'll be there. I'm a minute of the day. Oh, you got to do it. Pick up the telephone. Come on, party, party.
Have a good night, Martin and Tony Green. See you next time. We got some CDs. Ciao. You want one more? I can't hear nothing. Do you want one more? Are you ready to party? I said, are you ready to party? Tony, are you ready to party?
Are the girls set this night on fire? Come on, we are the ones who take it in higher. We are the ones who set this night on fire. Well, come on, we are the party people tonight. We are the ones. Where y'all at? Ones who set on fire. Come on, party people. We are the ones who take it in higher. Oh, we set your soul on fire. We're all just in designer style. Some of us are classy, and some of us are wild. We're here to celebrate every chance we get. Mr. DJ, play our song. We wanna set this night on fire. Come on, we are the ones. We're taking it away. Oh, you. We set your soul on fire. Come on. We gon' just get in designer style. Some of us are classy, and some of us are butt wine. We're here to celebrate every chance we get. Mr. DJ back there, play our song. We wanna holiday all night. Come on. Where the party people at? I think we got a party going on over here. Hey, there's a party going on over here. Oh, well, we got a little pizza going on. Come on, with the pizza. Come on, with the pizza. There's a pizza going on. There's a pizza going on. Come on, Pied Pipers, get 'em on.
Ladies and gentlemen, just right here, just right here. Come on. Yeah, group, y'all. Woo, shake your booty. Yeah. Shake your booty, man.
It's your party. 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 It's your
It's your